Have you ever seen these satisfying pigment mixing videos that get millions of views? You can build a content channel around this idea. Just take a look at this channel. It has over 883,000 subscribers. The interesting part is that this channel mainly uploads these relaxing pigment mixing videos. So, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can create these videos using AI. To get started, you'll first need our master prompts. You'll find them in the video description. You open the file. You'll notice that it contains two different prompts. The first one is the automation master prompt, and the second one is the master video prompt. The first you need to do is copy the first prompt. After that, open Google Flow. Once you're inside Google Flow, make sure you switch to agent mode. Now, open the settings panel. Under video generation, select the OmniFlash model. After that, choose your preferred aspect ratio. You can select 9:16. Once everything is selected, simply click Save. Now, paste the automation master prompt into Google Flow. Then go back to the prompt file and open the master video prompt. This is the prompt we'll use for every single video. The only thing you need to change is the color information. For example, I'll use neon red. Then, move to the secondary color section and replace it with another color. I'll choose neon yellow. That's it. Our first video prompt is ready. If you don't have ideas for different colors, then don't worry at all. I'll also provide this complete PDF file link in the description. Once you selected your colors, simply copy the entire master video prompt and paste it into Google Flow under our first prompt. Now, let's prepare another video. Go back to the master video prompt and simply change the colors again. For example, instead of neon red, I'll use neon blue. And instead of neon yellow, I'll use purple. Copy the updated prompt and paste it below the previous one inside the same prompt section. You can keep repeating this process for as many videos as you want. I've only added 2 prompts here as an example. Once you've added all your prompts, simply click on Generate. As soon as you do that, the AI agent on the right side will start working. It will also show you how many credits will be required. For example, generating 2 videos may require around 30 credits. Simply click on Approve, and the AI agent will immediately begin generating all the videos at the same time. After waiting for a short while, your videos will be ready. The AI has created a perfectly satisfying pigment mixing animation that looks very similar to the original viral videos. Finally, download the clean video to your device, and that's it. Your video is now completely ready to upload to YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful and want to learn more ways to automate AI content creation, make sure to like the video and subscribe to channel Hyman Hub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.